Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from a huge skincare company. I've actually used this skincare brand myself in the past. They do have great products. At one time, they were big with all of the beauty YouTubers pushing their products, but the company is a Paula's Choice Skincare. Of course, the links if you want to put your application in is always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And please, if you enjoy any of these job leads that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button and share with all your friends and family if you know someone who could benefit from these. But Paula's Choice is hiring a order or CSR customer service specialist. So this is going to be customer service. It is going to require you to be on the phone. It is a contract position, but they are hiring remote throughout the United States. Now, they have been in business for 27 years. But they're looking for somebody to provide that basic customer service, from basic order information to researching those complex concerns. So you're going to have to do research and data entry. You'll do up to 8 hours of phone calls with customers 5 days a week. So this is a full-time position. You'll have to resolve customer inquiries through phone, email, and chat, processing orders, preparing any correspondence to go out to them, entering their orders with accuracy. You'll also handle shipping, tracking, and delivery inquiries from the customer. So you're just going to be friendly and empathetic and professional when dealing with the customers. So you're just going to handle anything order related, from them placing an order to asking when it's going to ship to changing an order, refunds, just all over order stuff. Now, they are asking for somebody to be flexible in the hours that you can work. Their customer service is open Monday through Friday, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you'll have to work a shift within that time range. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just somebody who has 1 year experience in some kind of a customer service, somebody who can multitask and hold yourself accountable. So staying self-motivated since you're working from home. You do have to have a high school diploma and basic Microsoft Office skills, being able to type 40 words per minute or better. But pay is $18 to $20 an hour for this position. And they are offering a standard benefit package that includes paid time off, health, dental, vision, all the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this job lead, let me know by giving that video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.